Now then, so it is Saturday afternoon, and I have got two things I want to do today. One is rearrange my water tanks and maybe my gas bottle in the garage / boot of the van so my bikes can fit better in there. And two is to install a vent for my oven and to fit my oven so it's secure in the van. So I'm just about to go to Screwfix to pick up a metal cutting jigsaw blade, and then I'm just going to come back and get going. Here we go. There we are. Jigsaw blades check. Let's go. Is this real or is this in my head? Okay, so what I want to do is move these from here to here, and I'm going to have to run pipes up underneath the bed and back along that way, just so this section here has got a bit more room for the bikes. I also need to fasten that gas bottle more securely, so that's probably going to move as well. Here we go. These little blue clip things help keep the push fit joints tight, especially when you're driving around. There's a lot of rattle and stuff. It stops them from loosening up, so they just pop in there and it keeps it more snug. Quite handy really. I've not had any problems with leaks or anything since I've been using these. So that's where they're going to live, and it automatically opens up that area quite nicely. So I think what I'm going to do is maybe just keep the gas bottle up there, but build a sturdier shelf, and then eventually get a second strap, so it's strapped to the wall with two straps. And maybe fashion one. I've got some ratchet straps, so I could fashion sort of clamp so I can ratchet strap it down. So I'll just spend the money on that because I've got quite a few ratchet straps. So that's what I'll do. So it'll be free. Yes, that's it. Just realised I filmed that whole thing with the camera sideways. Let's see how that comes out. So I've rerouted it all. I've put these little air vents out, so when you filling the tanks up through here, you turn that valve and then water goes in, fills the tanks up equally because it's all equally spread out. Tanks fill up, air escapes out through here. I'm just going to zip tie it up like that, and then air will escape up through there. So yeah, it goes up along the top here, down, and then to the pump, and then just back out towards the sink. So now I'm going to just do a more secure base for the gas bottle, get extra secure, and then my bike should fit in this back section a lot better now. There's the wheel arch boxed off. Nice solid platform for the gas to sit on. I've also got a drop vent down there at the bottom in the floor. Also got to do now is get an extra strap so it's nice and secure. Right, so this bit's a bit messy at the moment, but the other week I blitzed it in like 2 days. I did like flooring, started building out the kitchen, fridge is underneath there, like all this is new. This is for where the cooker's gonna go. I'm gonna need to put a vent here just so it's nice and ventilated. Okay, so it is a few weeks later. I ended up getting busy finishing off my last university stuff. I went on a trip to North Wales to do a mountain assessment for university, not my mountain leader assessment, unfortunately. So I did do some work on the van. I didn't film it, didn't edit it, etc. But I will show you where we are up to. So the oven is in, nice and secure. How I fastened it was underneath here you've got the little rubber legs that come with the oven, and they're just screwed in with, like, I don't know, 20mm long screws. Basically I just took them screws out and bought 80mm long screws, drilled through this front and back so all the wood was lined up with it and stuff, and just screwed right up back through the legs back into the oven so it's secured nice and solid in the unit. My fridge is living underneath there, that's wired up behind the chair and stuff with all the electrics. The gas cable goes down around there and to the gas bottle in the back. What else have I done? Floor, that's down. I don't know if that was, or I've spoke about that already. Nice fresh new floor. I got the welcome mat is inset into the flooring so it doesn't slide around all over the van, and you can just pull up to take out to clean it. This bit here and the countertop and the sink and the taps and all stuff, that's all in. This just needs painting, need to put doors on there, and then hey, my brand spanking new Outbacker stove. I put it in yesterday. I've already like tested it, see how it's like. That's why it's got scratches on and stuff. But this is such a massive improvement on the old little diddy stick burner, as I like to call it. This is actually a log burner. You can fit logs in there. Just about fits where the old one was. My water heater fits on there nicely because it's what it's designed for. I'm just waiting on some flexible steel flue to go on there, and I'm on two minds whether to insulate it as well, because apparently if you insulate your flue it prevents or helps it not get a like build up as much inside the flue, so might insulate it, might not. A little bit about the oven. It is a camshaft camping oven. I've put a nice big vent behind it and out on the side of the van. There's also a vent for the fridge lower, so there's two vents behind there. It's for the air circulation. It's got two burners on the top, and you get the temperature from this little temperature gauge here. So you preheat it once it's on the right one. You put your food in. You can put cooked pizzas in there, cook chips in there, do roast dinners in there, bake a cake in there, make anything you want. So while I was waiting for the kettle to boil, as you can see, I did a little thing. What that thing was this. An idea I had a while ago to use a water bottle holder from a bicycle as a drink holder next to the bed. So as you're supping on something nice in bed, maybe a cup of tea, beer, or wine, get your cup, and it rests in there nicely. Another little thing I've done over the past couple of weeks is I have put up a bunch of Gopro mounts around the van. So one here, one here, one here, and one here. And that's about it, I think. The van's a bit of a mess, but as you do, as anyone knows, vans are often messy, mostly messy rather than tidy because they're such small spaces. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Press that like button if you like the video, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.